Hello friends, welcome to TechPath Learning. Today I will show you how to connect Namecheap domain with Hostinger hosting account. So let's begin the learning tutorial. We purchase domain from Namecheap and hosting purchase from the Hostinger. First of all, we visit the domain list and find the domain that we connect with Hostinger. Now, click to down arrow icon and click to manage options. Here are the domain settings, where you'll find the Nameserver options. We need to update these settings and configure them with the new custom DNS provided by your Hostinger account. Now, click to Hostinger account and set up the hosting account for creating nameservers. This is my business web hosting package. Now click to Continue Setup button. But we need the domain name that we want to connect with Hostinger. Copy the domain name. Let's begin the setup process. If you want to create WordPress new setup, then click to WordPress option. Otherwise you can also select the Hostinger website builder option and set up the demo site template from Hostinger. Now, click on Empty PHP HTML website button since we already have a domain name that we want to connect. Otherwise, click the Next option to connect with your Hostinger domain account. Now, type here of your Namecheap domain name. Now, click on the first option, as we own this domain name. Now, click to the next button. This is location setup. It's very important. If you want to Asia traffic, then you can select the India, otherwise you can choose the USA or Europe. Yes, the hosting configuration is completed. Now need to configure DNS nameservers. Let's start. Click to Connect button. Let's start. Carefully check this DNS settings and copy to the new nameservers of Hostinger. And go back to the Namecheap admin panel and paste the Hostinger nameservers one by one. After, click to Save option. Our DNS configuration is successfully done. Now, need to wait for properly connection with domain and hosting. Sometimes it's take more time like 24 hours. We want to check domain and hosting is connected or not. Visit to hois.com and type your domain name. Not yet connected with the Hostinger hosting. Click to Update Result option and see it again. Wow, this really cool. My connection is successfully completed with domain and Hostinger hosting. Now, you can set up the WordPress in your domain by following the WordPress setup instruction. You can follow to my previous video that how to set up WordPress in a domain. After the WordPress setup, you get the access of WordPress admin, then you can set up or create a website. I think this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting new updates. Thank you. Allah Hafez.